Well, I've been trying to find just the right shifter for the rat rod here. Yesterday I came up with using this pool stick. This is a 2-piece pool cue, and one end of it has a brass threaded section, and it fits right on the bolt that I set up for that Hurst shifter the other day. Now I was looking at that thinking, well, I've got a shifter boot right here, but it's still that funny looking bit of metal sticking out there. It occurred to me maybe what I need is a shifter sock to go with my shifter boot. So I was looking around in my drawers this morning. I found this, and I thought, oh yeah, it's a shifter sock. I can just put a little hole in the toe here. Or I can just shift that, put that right over this. Put this part right down into that. And then I can put my pool cue shifter knob right there. And there you go. I got me a shifter boot with a shifter sock. How cool is that? Okay, what comes next? So maybe to get a little bit more sophisticated, I got this boot that came with the handle. Let's see, I'm not going to use that. Never mind. I started to say I could take this boot, put it on that, shove that down in there, but I think I'll save that. This is for the brake handle, and there's a way to remove that end and get this on that. I might just put it there instead of putting it here. So I'll go back. I'll stick with my regular sock, my shifter boot sock. Here. We'll go with that. Okay? Okay. Alright, I see how it goes. This just pulls off of here. Get that little muscle behind it. And you can take this boot and put it right there. And just slide this right back on. Oh, I see how you are. Tuck this bit down in here, like that. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's right, pretty. Okay. Okay.